We carry a few 100,000 people a day over thousands of miles of track, and we are responsible for making sure people are able to get to where they need to be, whether it's for business or get to their places for entertainment and enjoyment in the area. I am the Assistant Director of Maintenance at Wayne Junction Car Shop for SEPTA Regional Rail Division. I manage the revenue and work train maintenance programs. I'm responsible for making sure our trains get out on time to make sure the system is maintained properly. Currently we're in fall, and with the leaves falling off of the trees, they leave a residue on the track that will cause the wheels to slip and cause traction problems for the trains. And out of this shop, we're responsible for making sure we wash off the oily residue that's left behind, so that the steel wheels of the train cars make a good solid contact with the rails and the trains don't slip through stations and potentially cause problems or be involved in accidents later on. An old system that we tried for clearing that residue off was a wire brush system, and that just wasn't working for our application, so we explored alternatives. The Barracuda system was one of them, so we used a Barracuda device to clear off any foliage and oil left behind by that foliage. We started using the Barracuda system, I think, in the early 2000s. The Barracudas are connected to hydraulic lines that a pump pushes high pressure water. It's 22,000 PSI. And then the Barracudas are located underneath the car body, in between the axles of each truck. And what they do is they spin a high pressure water onto the railhead, and that clears off any oil or residue that was left behind. The brush system was causing issues when we were going through switches and frogs and things like that. The Barracuda system eliminated any issues going through, and it gave us a better opportunity to wash more areas. And I think the higher pressure water actually has done a better job over the wire brush system. We wash every line that our revenue equipment runs on, including some Amtrak territory that we run in conjunction with them. In the beginning of this season, when we get our reports about train delays, we have a high volume of slippery rail, and as we go through this fall season washing the rails with the Barracuda items, that number of rail slipping complaints decreases substantially, making for a better trip for our passengers and getting everybody where they need to be on time.